Hey world, Jessica Kirsh here, coming to you, from where? My studio, my closet, my bedroom, my cat kingdom litter box. Today I'm here with some friends whom, this is the first time that I've had 3 people and Stella in my bedroom at one time. And so I'm gonna show you, ready? Look, there's 3 of us. Can you believe it? We barely fit. So just to give a little perspective, but anyways, I am so appreciative. You're so sweet. Steven over here, who is, what's your name on Twitter?
The light speed.
I'm totally putting him on the spot so hardcore.
Yeah.
At the light
speeds.
speeds.
Yeah.
Speeds.
Right.
He has gifted me, let me show ya. No, you're good, you're good, you're good. This! Looky. Who's gonna geek out all the time over something new? Jessica! Anyways, watching Starship, trying to figure out when it's gonna launch, and he's setting this up for me. And I'm so glad that you guys came over. Thank you so much. All right, so stay tuned. I'm starting to print some files. See you in the next video. Bye.